Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss a new topic in our unit number 6, work and energy. The topic is the mass energy equivalence. We have page number 157. Page 157. The topic is mass energy equivalence. First of all, we discuss a little bit story about this topic. This topic is represented by Einstein. Einstein is a famous physicist and is a famous mathematician and famous scholar. So Einstein gives in a relation for the mass and energy. These relations have a lot of physical significance which we can use in our daily life. Dear students, so these equations, this mass energy equivalence gives a lot of physical significance. Clear? By using this equation E is equal to mc square, we can convert the energy into mass and also we can convert the mass into energy. Clear, dear students? So Einstein gives this relationship for the converging. Clear? For the mass and energy, or the mass and energy conservation. Clear? This is a famous equation. Clear? Look at here. E is equal to mc square. This is a famous equation which is used for the mass energy conservation. Clear? So we know that E is energy and m is mass of any object. Clear, dear students? While c is the speed of light, having square. Mass multiplied with square of speed of light. Clear? So here we have E is energy which can be measured in joules. Clear? M is mass of the body which measured in a kilogram. And here C is the speed of light which can be measured in the unit of meter per second. Clear? Because we know that velocity have a unit of meter per second. Clear? This is the unit of velocity. Clear? So as we know that speed of light have a specific constant value. Clear? Whose value is equal to 3 multiplied 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Clear, dear students? So this is the value of the speed of light which is equal to the 3 multiplied 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Clear? So look at here, this equation shows that mass and energy are the same physical entity or the same type, we can say that, and can be changed into each other. So this equation gives us a relation between the interconversion of the mass and energy. We can easily convert the mass into energy and energy into mass. Clear, dear students? By using this equation, E is equal to mc square. Clear? So this is a very useful equation which is used in our daily life. Clear? So here in an example, look at this example. This is also given in our book. So we have a body which have a mass mass is equal to 50 kg, and we know that speed of light has constant value which is equal to 10 multiplied 10 raised power 8 meter per second. Required is energy. Here our main objective is to convert the mass into energy. Where our required is energy. So here is our concentration on the energy. So how we can convert this 50 kg mass into a energy? Clear? By using Einstein equation, which is E is equal to mc squared. Clear? Putting these values from here, from the given data. So m is equal to, put m is equal to 50 kg here. Instead of m, multiply, put the value of speed of light which is equal to 3 multiplied 10 raised power 8 meter per second instead of c, and take the square. There. When we simplify this, so first we solve the square. Clear? So take the square of the 3, multiply, also take the square of the 8. So when we face the power of power, so we just multiply both the powers. Clear? 8 2s are 16. Clear? Then for our simplicity, we can multiply 50 multiply 9, and we know that K is represented by kilo, which represents the kilo which is equal to 10 power 3. Clear, dear students? So put 10 power 3 instead of K. Okay? Look at this. So when we multiply 50 multiplied with 9, so we will get 450. Clear? And whenever the bases are same, so power will be added. Clear? You also study these basic topics in mathematics. Clear? Also in physics. Clear? So 450 multiply. So bases are same, so power will be added. 3 plus 16 is equal to 19. Clear? So sorry for that. This is not valid. Look at this. By the multiplication of 50 multiply 9. Here, so we get 450 multiply 10 raised power 16, and we know that the unit of energy is joule. Clear? So by using scientific notation, by using scientific method, clear? Standard form, standard notation. So point is here, see? So move point from right to left. So when we move point from left to right, decimal from right to left, so the power will be increased. Clear? But the power must be positive. So look at here. We move decimal from right to left. how many digits? 2 digits. Clear? So we can write this 4.5 multiplied 10 raised power 2, because we move the decimal from right to left, that is 2 digits. Clear? So that's why we can write this in the form of this 4.5 multiplied 10 raised power 2. Similarly, multiply 10 power 16 joule. So we also learned that when bases are same, so power will be added. So 10 is a base, and 8, 2 and 16, so we will get 18. So here our answer is 4.5 multiplied 10 raised power 18 joules. So this mass, which is 50 kg, is converted into energy which is equal to this. See? So we can easily convert this energy into the mass by using this equation. Clear? So this is your homework.